Why I pass on 90% of auction properties. Most people think the key to winning at auction is finding more deals, but the real skill is knowing what not to buy. I pass on about 90% of auction properties I analyze, and that's not because there aren't deals out there, it's because most of them don't meet my standards. At auction, every property looks tempting on paper. Low opening bids, big ARV numbers, other investors circling. But I'm not trying to win bids, I'm trying to win long term. The first reason I walk away is unknown risk. If I can't clearly verify title issues, liens, or legal problems before auction day, I'm out. Uncertainty is expensive, and auctions don't give refunds. Second, I pass when the numbers are tight. If the deal only works when everything goes perfectly, it's not a deal. Repairs go over budget, timelines get delayed, markets shift. I want margin, not hope. Another big one is condition I can't assess properly. If I can't get a good visual on the structure, roof, foundation, or overall damage from the outside, I don't guess. Guessing at auction is how investors lose money fast. Location also matters more than most people want to admit. A cheap property in a bad area is still a bad investment. I'd rather overpay slightly in a solid area than get a deal where tenants, buyers, or resale demand are weak. And finally, I don't buy just because others are bidding. Crowds don't equal confidence. Emotions drive auction rooms, and emotions destroy profits. Passing on deals is not failure, it's discipline. The money isn't made by buying more properties, it's made by buying better properties. That's why I'm comfortable walking away from 9 out of 10 deals, and because the one I buy is already won before auction day. If you want to learn how to filter deals like this, how to know when to bid and when to walk away, that's exactly what I teach inside my membership. Stop chasing every deal, start protecting your capital.